Hi, everybody. It's Deborah. I'm back. I have on my But Did You Die shirt because I went walking today. I'm trying to get in better shape. So I had on my shirt to remind myself yes, the walk was hard, but did you die? And no, I didn't. But I came back because I wanted to do an unboxing. And I keep looking at the closet door because I'm just waiting for either two cats or one dog to come strolling in. So hopefully they will not. But let's get this show on the road. This came in the mail today. It is inspired, always full transparency. I don't purchase authentic unless I can afford it, which usually because of the prices, it's not reasonable for me or logical for me to make those large purchases like that. So the majority of my bags, I would say probably a good 90% are inspired. So this one definitely is inspired. You can see the box. So this is my first time ever doing an unboxing on camera. So let's see how this goes. If there's a lot of crinkling of paper, I do apologize for that. This is the little card from the company that I ordered it from, um, telling me thank you. We're going to move that to the side. Just a little bit of background information about this bag. Um, Chanel, a while ago, some years back, they invented or designed what they called the Chanel Kelly bag. Now, not the new little Chanel Kelly bag, it's not new, but not the more recent Chanel Kelly bag that you've seen that has little double handles. I have one of those. Not that one, but the one that actually looked like an Hermes Kelly bag, but it had the quilted leather and had a huge back pocket and a top handle. Well, recently, in one of their more recent collections, was it? It was either the fall or spring collection, um, either fall of last year or spring for this year. They introduced a another rendition of their Kelly bag, and it was I think it was the spring collection because I always like to call it the birdcage collection because the show they had the birdcage and all that. But anyway, um, but they reintroduced their Kelly bag, and this company that I like to shop from, they had a inspired version of that bag. I just got it out of the box, so the handle's a little wonky and everything. I'll have to hang it to settle it out. But I have wanted something like this for the longest time. Oh my gosh, it is so nice. Look at the pocket on the back. I have wanted that Chanel Kelly bag ever since I first saw it years ago. And the original one, it's vintage. It's like the cheapest I've seen has been like $2,500. And I'm like, number one, my husband would kill me. Number two, my husband would kill me. And number three, retirement is coming. And I'm not spending that kind of money on a bag. So when I saw that the company that I ordered this from, when I saw that they had this bag, I was like, oh my gosh. So I just had to get it. I mean, the reason I'm not saying the name of the company is because, I mean, I don't know how that goes. I don't want anyone to get in trouble, or whatever, but just know that this bag is available and it is beautiful. So, um, on the inside, oh my gosh, you still got all the plastic on the metal. So nice on the hardware. So let's open it up. It does have a shoulder strap, and the difference between this one and the original Chanel Kelly is that this strap, the shoulder strap, comes with it. There was no shoulder strap with the other one, I don't believe, and this shoulder strap you cannot detach it. So if I ever want to just carry it as a top handle, I would just have to tuck the strap inside. Let's take the stuffing out. Really nice. You see what it says. Let's get the silica packet out. Hopefully the cats won't get to that. The inside is so beautiful. Look at that beautiful Oh gosh, what is that? Like a deep burgundy? Oh gosh, color on the inside. It is so beautiful. It's got one big zip pocket, zip pocket across the back, and then there's a slip pocket here, a big slip pocket that goes across the expansion of the back of the bag. Um, yeah, wow, this bag is awesome. I love it. It is beautiful. I am so happy. So, but I would take this because I plan on carrying it top handle more than likely to get that original look. And what I think I liked the most was what do I want to say? One, two, three, four. The trapezoidal shape of the bag, where you've got, the smaller length here at the top, and then it kind of spreads out to a wider length at the bottom, and it's got feet. Oh, I am so happy that I got this bag. I'm very happy with it. Um, if you are interested in this bag, um, and probably some of the other ones that I've purchased from this company, just let me know down in the comments, and I can let you know who I purchased it from. I don't like to put people out there because I don't like for people to, get in trouble. I mean, yeah, but anyway, lovely. It's fantastic. It's great. I'm happy with it. It's great. So, yeah, my first unboxing. Very happy, very satisfied. So, hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging out. You guys be blessed. Bye now.